Hey guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, we're gonna learn how to use Rythm in our Discord server. For that, first open any of a browser you use. For me, it's Google Chrome. So go to the search option and type top.gg. As you can see, here is a search option. Just type in Rythm, Rythm, and search for it. Scroll down a little bit. Here is it. 4.7 rating. Just click on it. In the right side of the screen, you will see an option invite. Click on it. Select your server and continue. Give authority to it. Go through the human verification process. And boom. Open a Discord server. Here is it. Rythm is here. And this is how you can add Rythm bot in your Discord server. So if you like this video, leave a like, share, comment and subscribe for more.